Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to dive into the top 5 best SD cards of 2025. Looking for the best SD cards in 2025. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, gamer, or just need reliable storage for your devices, this video has you covered. We review the top 5 best SD cards of 2025, highlighting the fastest speeds, highest capacities, and most durable options available. From 4K and 8K video recording to high-speed data transfer, these SD cards are perfect for cameras, drones, gaming consoles, and more. We also compare read/write speeds, durability, and value to help you find the ideal South Dakota card for your needs and budget. Plus, we'll discuss which SD cards are best for professional use, which offer the best performance for casual users, and how to choose the right one for long-term reliability. Stay tuned till the end to make an informed choice. For more information and update pricing, check the link in the description below, like and comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Let's get started. Number 5. The SanDisk Extreme SD UHS-I V3 offers read speeds of up to 190 megabytes per second. Its durable design ensures reliability in extreme conditions. This high-performance SD card delivers blazing fast read and write speeds, ensuring smooth 4K and 8K video recording without lag. Engineered for extreme conditions, it offers exceptional durability and consistent reliability, making it the perfect storage solution for those who demand the best performance. Number 4. The Lexar Professional 1667X SDXC UHS-II offers incredible read speeds of up to 250 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second, making it ideal for high-speed photography and 4K video recording. With exceptional read and write speeds, this SD card is perfect for high-resolution photography and 4K video recording. Its UHS-II interface ensures fast data transfer, while the rugged design offers protection against extreme conditions. Ideal for both professionals and enthusiasts, it delivers reliable performance in any environment. This card also offers large storage capacity, ensuring you can capture more without worrying about space. Its fast performance and durability make it the ideal choice for anyone serious about their work. Number 3. The Sony SFG Series Tough UHS-II SD card offers ultra-fast read speeds of up to 300 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 299 megabytes per second, ideal for high-resolution photography and 4K video. Its rugged, tough design makes it resistant to water, dust, and bending. Perfect for professionals, it ensures reliable performance even in the harshest conditions. This SD card offers blazing fast read and write speeds, making it perfect for capturing high-resolution images and seamless 4K video recordings. Its tough design ensures durability, providing protection against water, dust, and bending. Ideal for professionals, it guarantees reliable storage for tasks. Whether you're shooting in extreme conditions or transferring large files quickly, this card excels in every aspect. Its performance, combined with the rugged build, makes it a fit for anyone who needs robust storage that lasts. With its combination of speed, durability, and reliability, it's a top choice for those who need consistent performance in extreme conditions. Number 2. The Lexar Professional Class 10 UHS-II 2000X SD card offers blazing fast read speeds of up to 300 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 260 megabytes per second, ideal for high-speed photography and 4K video recording. Its UHS-II interface ensures top-tier performance for professional use, while its durable design provides protection against wear and tear. This SD card offers exceptional read and write speeds, making it ideal for professional photographers and videographers who require fast, reliable storage. With read speeds up to 300 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 260 megabytes per second, it ensures smooth 4K video recording and rapid data transfer. Its UHS-II interface provides optimal performance, while the durable design offers protection against wear, shocks, and other elements. Whether you're shooting in extreme conditions or need a card for heavy-duty usage, this card ensures consistent performance. Number 1. The PNY Elite Performance SDXC card offers fast read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, making it perfect for high-quality photo and video capture. It is ideal for shooting HD videos and continuous burst mode photography. The card's reliable performance ensures seamless storage and quick access to data. This SD card offers solid read and write speeds, ensuring smooth performance for photographers and videographers. With read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, it supports HD video recording and burst mode photography without lag. It is designed for reliability, offering seamless data storage and fast access, making it ideal for capturing high-quality media. The card's durability adds to its appeal, allowing users to confidently store their data in varying conditions. It is also compatible with a wide range of devices, from cameras to laptops, ensuring versatility. If you're looking for a cost-effective, dependable card for your daily media storage needs, this card is an excellent choice.